back in the woods.
Okay, so we've got this non-target bobcat here that we need to release. He's got his front paw right here in the trap. Get him underneath this sled and he'll settle down a little bit so we can get this trap exposed. It's got his foot in it. Scoot him over. And then he's got his other foot around it. Okay, now he's loose, and we're gonna lift it up, and he should take off. If he don't take off, it could get ugly. And there he goes. Simple as that. You can see there's an offset in these jaws so that it doesn't clamp hard down on the bone. It just clamps in by the toes. I'm gonna walk over here. We got a fox in the set as well. Been a good day on the trap line today, but we need to let these non-target species go. So we'll go over here and get to this fox. Okay, so we've got a red fox in a trap here, right on the edge corner of a wooded area. A really good place to catch fox, although I had this set for coyotes. This sled works really well for this stuff. There we go. Stop to take a look back, and off he goes. All right, guys, well, I appreciate you joining me out here today on the trap line at the Pathfinder School for a release of a bobcat and a fox. A lot of guys have been asking for trapping style videos, and I haven't put anything up yet because we haven't had the line out that long. These 5 land traps, the only land traps I've got out right now, and they have only been out for a week, but 2 out of the 5 hit today. That's pretty good. We have caught some animals in snares. We've caught some animals in coon cuffs, things like that. Been posting some pictures here and there on social media, but we haven't really done any video yet. Today we had 2 really good animals in the trap line, so I thought I'd shoot a video of live releases of those catches today. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and I'll be back to another video as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.